Now, let me share with you one event, one situation that happened to my community. In our community, we have two collections. Don't worry, we don't have collection anymore. Here in CCRC, we only have one. We have two collections. The first one is for our tithes and love offering, wherein we use this to operate for the operations of the community. And the other one is the one we call emergency funds. We're using this to support the emergency needs of our brothers and sisters, those who are least fortunate. Okay? Now, we have one member, a sister, who is married with 5 children, and she's very, very active in our community. But her first cross, number one persecutor of serving the Lord is her very own family, the husband and the 5 children. They are very poor. I think they are the poorest in our community. Their source of living is just a very small store that the income is not even enough to have 3 good meals in a day. So the husband and the children do not want her to go to our community to serve. He served on Monday, he served on Sunday, and we have outlets feeding the program for the poor. Okay, she's always there because she's a member of the service ministry. And one time when we had feeding program to the malnourished children, and she's one of the core of that ministry, she did not appear, she did not came, or she did not come. Then everybody are somehow curious, what happened to her? So the following day, we have what you call follow-up ministry. This is our ministry who do the follow-up to those who did not attend anymore, or there's something problem. Okay, so the following day, the follow-up ministry decided to visit the sister. And surprisingly, they're very sad. They're very, very sad on what they found out. Because 1 week before that outreach, before the feeding program to the malnourished children, that lady experienced a terrible stomach pain. So the family decided to bring her to the government hospital because it's free, but you need to pay the medicine. And the government hospital way back home in our country, in the Philippines, is not that good, not like here. Okay. So the family, after the checkup, she was diagnosed of tumor in the ovary, and it is cancerous, that it needs to be removed right away. So the whole family was further devastated. Why? Because they don't have, that hospital cannot do the operation. They don't have the facilities. They don't have the professionals to do it. And you know, that case in the Philippines, it will cost millions of our money. So they are so down. So what the community did, through our emergency funds, and through the generosity of our brothers and sisters in the community, we were able to send her to the private hospital, where the tumor was successfully removed. And we even supported the medicine. And brothers and sisters, listen here. You know what's the miracle of love? You know what's the miracle of that compassionate presence that the community shared with the sister? The whole family were converted, and now they are very, very active in our community. And not only that, it was even extended to the extended families and friends. Brothers and sisters in Christ, I think we need to reflect this. We are all happy that we gather together once a week in our prayer meeting. But after that, what next? You know, sometimes you need to get out. Look at how compassionate, you know, to follow the Lord, to evangelize and to serve the Lord is simply to follow the Lord. Look how compassionate the Lord is. When Lazarus died, what did he do? From a distance, he traveled just to give comfort to Maria and Martha. He get out of his comfort zone. Brothers and sisters, I think that is the greatest challenge that we should do.